Hi, I'm Chris Jones from the Arthur Riley Institute, and welcome to my talk about plants and river flows. River ecology and health are closely tied to the flow regime. Natural flow regimes in most of Victoria's rivers have been dramatically altered by river regulation and extraction. Water for the Environment aims to reinstate natural flow components that have been removed through regulation, but are critical to environmental health and river function. The Victorian Environmental Flows Monitoring and Assessment Program, VEFMAP, has been tasked with evaluating and demonstrating the benefits of water for the environment for plants in Victoria. So, does putting water down the river help its plants? Stage 6 of VEFMAP over the last 4 years has provided a wealth of evidence for plant responses of water for the environment, as well as other flow components and non-flow factors. We have documented clear benefits for waterway or riparian vegetation through increased plant cover, germination, species richness, and spatial distribution in sites spanning most of the state. These benefits occur in response to individual flow events as well as regimes of events, highlighting the short and mid-term trends. In addition to measuring responses, we also explored many of the mechanisms for how and why these changes occur. The results are already helping to improve and update waterway management on many Victorian rivers, and further research will help to refine this understanding and help get the most from our water. However, the whole story is not so simple. While water for the environment can have many benefits for waterway vegetation, there are a number of limiting factors. Two of the most significant limiting factors for native riparian plants are livestock grazing and exotic species. We assessed many grazed and ungrazed sites, including installing grazing exclosures, and have found that there are no or limited benefits of water for the environment where livestock grazing pressure was moderate or high. This is significant in many waterways where grazing is common. The Campaspe River, for example, has approximately 25% of the river frontage under grazing licenses, which equates to around 75 kilometres of river frontage where known grazing may reduce or prevent the benefits of water for the environment. Likewise, we found that while exotic terrestrial plants may be effectively managed by river flows, there are no or limited benefits to native riparian species where exotic riparian species dominate. Exotic riparian or inundation tolerant species, such as blackberry, tradescantia, and many grasses, are benefited by water for the environment and often outcompete native species. These riparian exotic species are more common and abundant in the southern Victorian rivers where rainfall is higher, and they need additional management actions to reduce their dominance. So, to maximise the benefits of water for the environment, we need to optimise our flow management and reduce the limiting factors. All of this work is summarised in our program reports and published papers, soon to be available on the ARI website. But feel free to get in touch if you want more information. Thanks.